A special thanks to the folks at Dragonfire Tools for stepping it up. We are now Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. Here at Motorhead Garage, we love our trucks, and we bet you do too. But we bet you haven't thought much about the lowly mud flap. Now, Trevor, there are a lot of problems that can come up when installing something as simple as a mud flap. What can you run into?
Well, when you have the standard mud flap, it fits one way. It doesn't allow for much adjustability. Now with trucks, we know we like to customize them and do all kinds of different setups with our wheel and tires. So what we came up with was a way to make that adjustable and line up exactly the way you want to, in a way that doesn't require completely fabricating or drilling into a stainless steel bracket and your vehicle.
Which is a huge deal. So now REKGEN, first of all, they have the offset, which accommodates big tires. How else are they adjustable?
So the grid pattern we have on the bracket allows to line up with any of the factory screws that are already there. That makes it very customizable for whatever. It's a universal set. We also have some brackets that we have included in the kit that clamp on when there's no screws there. It's a pretty simple, straightforward install and not much drilling. Ease
of install is a huge thing, but durability is another one. How durable are the REKGEN mud flaps?
They're very durable. They're a rubber additive inside of a polyethylene, the mud flap material itself. It allows for some flex, but still keeps that flat look. You want it to look all uniform. And we have a 14 gauge stainless steel bracket that's powder coated. It's gotta be really strong for that application.
And even on the backside, you sort of thought of some details there.
Yeah, just simple geometry and the way water works. When water hits a flat surface, it goes every direction. So these grooves that are on the back of the mud flaps take the water, force it straight down, and reduce some splashing.
Up top, you have the bracket. It protects from rocks, but you've solved another problem with that as well.
Yeah, so we have our new REKGEN backing for mesh brackets. It has the same look to it. We added black and a little pop of red on there. That's also changeable. It uses the same grid pattern, so it's very simple. You line up with whatever cell you used, you drill it into the plastic, and it backs that with that mesh showing through with kind of a cool gloss black, matte black texture. Keeps that whole aggressive look. We like how it came out.
How do folks know this is going to fit their vehicle?
This is a universal set. So the key with that is, with that grid, it fits everything. The only thing that you're going to run into is if you have a small car or a small SUV where you don't need something this big or this crazy. It's 12 inches wide. We have some different options, 11-inch wide, 12-inch wide, some different lengths if you have different lifts.
You brought 3 different colors with you. How many colors does REKGEN make?
We have 5 different colors.
Excellent. So they're going to match your truck. They're going to go on easily because these are all the tools you need, and they're going to last a long, long time. Super durable, made in the USA. You can find these mud flaps at rekgen.com. One of the things I really love about AG products is the waterless wash. Dave, I can use this if I'm just touching up something, if I'm between washes and have a little spot I need to get rid of. But what if I want to go deeper? What if I want a more comprehensive wash? What are the steps?
Yeah, so you're always going to start out with that unicorn foam soap. Those little stubborn bugs, we have our great bug remover for that. And those 2 products right there will get you through that nice deep clean. Now, the in-betweeners, the maintainers, that's going to be our waterless wash that you just spoke of, and that great smelling strawberry lemonade spray and wax. That'll get you in between those washes and keeping that car nice and clean on the outside.
The unicorn foam, of course, is the go-to on the outside. On the inside, then, what is your go-to there?
That's going to be the Twisted Apple all-purpose cleaner. It'll get you everything you need to get that grime off the inside, get that nice start of that interior detail, and then again, our maintainers and our other supplements that add to it would be the leather conditioner, the glass cleaner, and the finish line with that diamond glance.
How often do I need to wash my car?
To keep the value of your car, to keep it clean, every 6 months.
Great, and I know you've formulated this so folks at home can use AG products, but professionals are also using it. I know a great use for this stuff is if you're selling a vehicle. You can use AG products to make it look great, but what about a car dealership? Maybe you're flipping a car, maybe the pros are doing that.
If you're in the dealership world or if you're just flipping cars every now and then, you can order in bulk from us. You can go 55-gallon drums all the way down to a 1-gallon jug.
No matter what level you're diving into detailing, you can find what you need at AG Products. ShopAGProducts.com is your interweb destination. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage, so keep it right here.